Kaseng Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishat Shillong haka khat artarik nailur arjar arpusaw kala Pynkup Burom migi Samla Pule Khuborjylla ki bapas bha hai ki examination bepher ya kani ka Jingpule Burom latip kum utirot sing best student award arjar arpusaw kabalalong ha usu sutham auditorium Shillong. Hakani kesengi la Pynkup Burom migi Samla Pule the Union Minister of State External Affairs and Textile ka Sarkar kami Upabitra Margareta, Hakajing Don Brinkat Lang, Dr. Keston Bell Manix Imle, Dr. Sashan Kut Lang Kong Thorem, but Kiwe De, Kiblasha Kots Ngoba, Hakani Kasngi.
Secondary School, Graham Bell Thai from St. Gabriel's Higher Secondary School, Preetal Paul from Laban Bengali Girls Higher Secondary School, from Sankadev Higher Secondary School, Miss Iba Sumitra Chakraborty from Shillong Higher Secondary School, Ibadaplim Biam from.
He was the 10th ruler, the 10th king of the kingdom. He was installed as a king in his kingdom when he was only 12 years old. And his father used to help to administer the kingdom. He was one of the freedom fighters of Northeast India. Why he was known as the freedom fighter? In 1826, British, after concluded the Treaty of Yandabo, which gave them a strong hold over the Brahmaputra Valley in Assam and Surma Valley, partly in Bangladesh, had also become the position of the British in that time. They sought to build a road across Khasinews to connect these two regions. To ease for easier transport and strategic purposes. David Scott, the political agent of the British of the East India Company, he requested Tirot Singh to allow him to construct the road to connect these two regions through his kingdom. But David Scott, he had also promised that he will keep back the Dwar which already given back to Assam. It was once under the jurisdiction of Nongklau Sinjin. And also assured that the trade of the free trade in the region. But after Tirot Singh, after the consultation with his daughter, he consented to the British and allowed to construct the road and also signed the agreement and all the treaties.